Today we will be making a new and delicious recipe. One of my favorite halwa, Gajar Ka Halwa. So this is really special for this season. So let's begin in making. So let's start with our first ingredient. 2 kg carrots we have taken, as you can see. 2 liter of milk. We have crushed 4 to 5 elaichi, and we have khoya 200 gram, ghee 1 cup, dry fruits as you want. We have almonds, walnuts, and some kishmish. Sugar 2 cup or as your taste. So now let's start. First we will add our carrot. Now we will add our milk and cook for 30 to 40 minutes on low flame, guys, to make it nice and delicious. It has been 1 hour since our Gajar Ka Halwa cooking. Oh, okay. Milk is reduced. As you can see, there's no milk in here right now. First, we will add our sugar. Let me give you a closer look. We will add just 1 more because that was not 2 cups, as you can see. And now we'll mix it. Mix up for 1 to 2 minutes. And now we'll add our elaichi powder. Mix it so the elaichi powder get mixed in it. The smell, guys, is so stunning. It's so delicious. I just want to eat it. It's just 10 minutes, then it will be cooked. Now we will cook it until the sugar water, as you can see, it's a bit watery. Then the sugar water until the sugar water is evaporated. The sugar water, as you can see, is already used. And now we will put our dry fruits in. Or the kishmish. Or almonds. Or walnuts. And now we will add our ghee. Yummy, delicious ghee. We'll cook it on high flame so the ghee is separated from our cacao. Delicious, sweetened cacao. As you can see, our halwa is ready. Okay, guys. And now I will add our khoya. We're adding all our khoya. And some of the khoya we will save it for the decoration. It smells so nice. And now we'll simmer it for 2 minutes. So guys, now it is decorating time for our sweet and yummy halwa. First we will add some kishmish, some walnuts to make it energetic and nice for the body. And we'll add some khoya. Like I said to you, we have to add some just for the decoration. I love khoya. So guys, now I will check out some halwa for myself and then enjoy this yummy, delicious recipe. You also should make this and try this because it looks delicious. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe my channel and leave a like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video. For now, Allah Hafiz.